Hello viewers, the passages that I have for you today are 1. Definition of primary standards, and 2. The definition of secondary standards. Let's begin with the definition of primary standards. A primary standard is defined as a reagent that is extremely pure, stable, contains no water of hydration, and is of high molecular weight. Typical examples of primary standards are 1. We have sodium carbonate that is used for the titration of acids in the laboratory. 2. We have potassium hydrogen iodate for the titration of bases. And 3. We have potassium dichromate for redox titrations. Now, let's look at the second parcel, the definition of secondary standards. A secondary standard by definition is a reagent that is used in a laboratory for a specific analysis. Examples of secondary standards are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. Thank you very much for your keen attention. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.